Hello, everyone. Here's your weather hazard briefing for Monday, December 2nd. Pretty much the same forecast, just a different day of the week, although I guess there's a little bit of a change. Some of those showers may be here as early as Friday, more likely into the weekend, and still not 100% sure how much shower activity we'll see. These patterns do break down, but these blocking patterns, like the Rex block we have in place now, sometimes take a while to break. Other than that, we really not seeing much in the way of fog or stratus potential. I mean, it could be there on a daily basis. Definitely, though, we're going to have the inversions hanging in and probably strengthening as the high pressure takes hold. Now, we've talked about what a Rex block is. You have two types of blocking patterns. One is an omega block, where it looks like the Greek letter omega if you looked at the larger weather pattern. With a Rex block, you have high pressure up to the north, like we have over us now, low pressure to the south, and that high over low blocking pattern keeps things pretty much in place and locked in, and that's what we've been seeing and we'll see for the next few days. The weather risk outlook matrix, it's clean. Nothing there. Like I said, maybe a few showers up around Island Park and up into Lemhi County by Friday. Not confident we'll see anything at that point. That might be the first little wave that tries to break down the ridge, this blocking pattern, but it's going to take a little bit more than that to finally displace it over our neck of the woods. So, temperatures today, just know overnight lows are going to be cold, below freezing pretty much everywhere. Maybe if we get some decent inversions, we might see some of those areas within the inversion layer a little bit warmer than the teens and 20s we've been seeing and are expecting. But you'll notice 30s and 40s closer to 50 once you get over into the Magic and Treasure Valleys, down towards Jackpot, Oakley, down towards Connor Summit as well, down towards the City of Rocks. A little cooler as you head up into Lemhi County. It's going to be in the 30s for the most part, maybe 40s in some spots as well. Going to tomorrow, temperatures really not moving too much, and that's typical of this type of pattern, other than maybe a little bit of warming each day within the inversion layer. You'll notice with the high pressure ridge, it gets stronger, and that's quelling some of the temperatures a little bit. It's not allowing much of a warm-up during the day, with the ridge being its strongest over the area during this period. You'll notice where it's been near 50 in the central mountains and also down south, it stays pretty much there. Elsewhere, though, you see those temperatures cooling off a little bit because they're not warming up because of the inversion. Similar for Thursday, and not much different for Friday. And looking at the 6 to 10 day outlook, again, the colors do not mean, bright red means many, many, many degrees above normal. It could, but in this case, just looking at the general pattern, because we're not necessarily getting into specifics 10 days out, but that is higher confidence that temperatures will be above normal, and all it takes is for it to be 1 degree above normal to be above normal and to fit into this outlook. Same with precipitation. The trend is going to be drier than normal, and we don't have a lot of moisture. Even when the ridge breaks down, we don't have a lot of moisture expected in our neck of the woods during that particular period. Once again, inversions holding or getting stronger with high pressure continuing to build in. This Rex block holds until at least the end of the week, maybe over the weekend as well. We have a few little waves coming through trying to press that ridge down by then. But at this point, even then, shower activity, if we can get it to develop, will be at a minimum. Have a great Monday and do stay safe out there, everyone.